guys, and today we are back with another video, and today we are going to start a new series, the first episode on how to create Pac-Man in Python. And today's episode is only going to be the getting started bit. We're going to start with the window and everything. We're doing this with Python Turtle, and if you haven't already seen one of my other series where I used Python Turtle to make ping pong, go and check that out. Really cool to watch, and yeah, maybe you'll learn how to do it yourself as well. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. If you do, please consider dropping a subscribe, and yeah, let's get right into it. Now, the first thing we need to do is import turtle here, and we need to get started with the window. So window is equal to turtle dot screen. I'm doing this from scratch. I've not done this before. I'm just going to try my best. Window dot tracer 0. Window dot title is a Pac-Man by Sleeping. If you don't know, that's my name. Spelled title wrong. Window dot title. Window dot bg color, background color. We can make it, let's make it black. And window dot setup, let's do 800 by 600, see if that's looking good. And we want to start with a main game loop. While true, we want to while true, we want to do window dot update, and yeah, let's see what that gives us. Now that just gives us a black screen. Let's make it actually a bit more square. 600 work? Find out now. Yeah, I think this is good. So we had the screen, we have the setup, we had the background color. Now let's start with actually making Pac-Man. Pac-Man is a turtle. Pac-Man dot animation speed is going to be 0. Pac-Man dot color is going to be yellow, as you all know. Pac-Man dot shape is going to be circle. Let's see what that gives us. Just a little Pac-Man in the middle of the screen. That's going to be our Pac-Man for now. And yeah, this is going to be it for the first episode. This is only getting started episode. I want to spread out this series across a couple episodes. If you guys have enjoyed this first episode and you're going to enjoy the rest of the series, you think, please consider dropping a like button, hitting the like button, hitting the subscribe button, and comment down below what you would like to see me do other than this Pac-Man tutorial. Hope you guys have enjoyed this first episode. Hope you guys have been enjoying my recent videos, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.